Hello, good morning students. Today is transcription number 229 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, we are discussing the budget for the year 1961-62, which is the first year of the third five-year plan, and therefore it is appropriate that the finance minister has given a bird's eye view of what has been achieved during the first two plans. The economic review also gives a comprehensive view of our achievements as well as of certain shortcomings here and there. I would therefore congratulate the finance minister and his ministry for placing before us a realistic picture as has emerged during the last 10 years and the approach which the finance minister thinks we should adopt towards the third five-year plan. This is not an ordinary budget for 1 year or for 2 years. This budget should be looked at from the point of view of the beginning of our next journey towards the third five-year plan. The finance minister has been bold because there is nothing secret about the budget in the plan period. The third plan as it has been presented in the draft form is before the people. There it has been envisaged that in order to see the plan through, about rupees 1700 crores would have to be raised in the country both at the state and at the central level. So the taxes which have been imposed in this year's budget were not something which came suddenly. He has therefore to make a bold and courageous effort not to play to the gallery but to be realistic and practical if we have got to see the third plan also through. I have been saying on the floor of the House that the tax burden has been more or less increasing from year to year. I do not want to repeat what I said last year, but it is clear from the economic survey as well as from his speech that during the last 10 years the tax revenue of the country, both central and of the states, has increased. Most of it has clearly come out of either excise duties at the central level or sales tax at the state level. We are also not to forget what when development takes place, industrial centers and population increase, the municipalities and the corporations have to levy various taxes. Their revenue generally comes out of what is called octroi duty.